I decided to change all this because it's not the best solution for today. I cannot use 60 watt, so with 100 watt, yes with UV, but again, such a absolutely not comfortable using all the equipment. So I decided to everything to change. We'll see how it will be, but it will be much better in terms of possibility to work with equipment. Might be for someone this will be good tips.
Time sparks in the night. The Millennium Bridge shines over the tide. Steel and reflection in perfect design. In perfect design. Black and white colors, the crowd's heartbeat. Newcastle united, the roar from the streets. Geordies together, proud, strong, and loud. Voices rising as one in the crowd. Universities glowing with young, curious minds. Students from everywhere, futures aligned. We're more than the city.
Those two guys was working from this one, and it's on only 9.1. So this is quite powerful one. It's you can read on the internet basically what his inside possibilities, and you can find some information on the Patreon. I was previously looking on it, and this is second one. So basically what I'm now trying to do, because I want to rearrange everything and finally make one big table, this one will be power supplying for all three of them. So 1, 2 and 3. So 60 watt, 100 watt and 5 watt UV will be sitting from this one, and also the chiller will be powered from only one, this one. So you can see that this one is a little bit more power, so 15.2 amps.
Laser Academy, where science turns into reality. We engrave the impossible, push every boundary. This is where mastery finds clarity. Fiber and UV, Laser Academy. No fakes, no hype, just honesty. Cocktails orders, the hardest kind. Solutions built with a technical mind. Every material tested and true. We know exactly what lasers can do. We educate, not imitate. Real experience you can replicate. Technical guides written and proved. Knowledge refined and they are improved. We teach you skills, we teach you truth. From your first job to real business proof. Fiber and UV, Laser Academy, where science turns into reality. We engrave.
Put here a piece of ply, I bought it. And basically this will be as the legs of the, let's say, table. All this will go on top, this one, and this one. Should be left some space for the laptops. This will be in the middle, underneath, and the chiller from this one will go somewhere here possibly. So basically tomorrow I will change this one instead of small one, and should be finished tomorrow. So we'll show you later what I've got. doing all this work, the thought keeps running through my head how difficult it is to start everything from scratch. In Ukraine, I have a 160 square meters workshop left. So anyone who is saying that he started from scratch again and again, I'm absolutely, completely understand how hard it was.